Welcome to our YouTube channel. Can you answer these 20 preposition test questions? If you pass this test, then congratulations, your English is excellent. Time for each question is 10 seconds. Each question has two options. You may pause the video if you need more time. Comment your scores and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's get started. Question number 1. Wine is made blank grapes. Option A of, option B from. The correct answer is option B from. From is used when the original material is transferred into something else, like grapes into wine. Question number 2. This sheet is made blank cotton. Option A of, option B from. The correct answer is option A of. Of is used when the material retains its original form or is identifiable, such as cotton in a sheet. Question number 3. It was made blank the Netherlands. Option A in, option B by. The correct answer is option A in. In is used to indicate the location where something was created or manufactured. Question number 4. It was made blank a Japanese company. Option A in, option B by. The correct answer is option B by. By is used to specify the creator or the manufacturer of an item. In this case, a Japanese company as the creator of the item. Question number 5. Cheese is made blank milk. Option A of, option B from. The correct answer is option B from. From is used when the original material undergoes a transformation, like milk into cheese. Question number 6. My laptop was made blank Toshiba. Option A in, option B by. The correct answer is option B by. By is used to specify the manufacturer, in this case Toshiba. Question number 7. The shoes are made blank leather. Option A of, option B from. The correct answer is option A of. Of is used when the material remains identifiable in the final product, such as leather and shoes. Question number 8. It tastes so good because it is made blank lots of pepper. Option A by, option B with. The correct answer is option B with. With is used to specify ingredients or elements used in creating a dish or product, like pepper. Question number 9. This necklace is made blank gold. Option A of, option B from. The correct answer is option A of. Of is used when the material is still identifiable, such as gold in a necklace. Question number 10. The cake was made blank flour, sugar and eggs. Option A with, option B by. The correct answer is option A with. With is used to specify the ingredients used in making something. Question number 11. The painting was made blank a famous artist. Option A in, option B by. The correct answer is option B by. By is used to indicate the creator or author of something, like the artist here. Question number 12. The scarf is made blank silk. Option A from, option B of. The correct answer is option B of. Of is used when the material remains unchanged, such as silk in a scarf. Question number 13. The perfume is made blank flowers and herbs. Option A from, option B of. The correct answer is option A from. From is used when the original material is transferred, such as flowers into perfume. Question number 14. This table is made blank wood. Option A of, option B from. The correct answer is option A of. Of is used when the material is still recognizable in the product, like wood in the table. Question number 15. The documentary was made blank a French director. Option A by, option B with. The correct answer is option A by. By indicates the person responsible for creating the work, such as director here. Question number 16. The house was made blank bricks and cement. Option A of, option B from. The correct answer is option B from. From is used when the material or transfer are combined to form something new, like a house. Question number 17. The tie was made blank china. Option A in, option B by. The correct answer is option A in. In is used to specify the place where something was manufactured, such as China. Question number 18. This soup was made blank chicken broth in vegetables. Option A with, option B from. The correct answer is option A with. With indicates the ingredients used to prepare the soup. Question number 19. The award was made blank glass and metal. Option A of, option B from. The correct answer is option A of. Of is used when the materials are still recognizable in the final product. Question number 20. The statue was made blank marble. Option A of, option B by. The correct answer is option A of. Of is used to describe the material that remains unchanged in the final product. So thank you dear viewer for watching our YouTube videos. Comment your scores in the comment section and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English grammar quizzes.